Are you someone who is constantly facing overheating issues? Do you think the components of your workstation or gaming rig are getting extremely hot? Well, you are not alone. Keeping the components of your PC cool reduces the risk of them getting damaged. It also increases the longevity of the parts. So how can you achieve good temperatures? There are many ways to solve this problem. One of the ways is by installing static pressure fans in your PC. High static pressure fans work by pushing a great volume of air in a single direction. In this video, we will look at the best static pressure fans that you can purchase. The products we listed are designed to provide the airflow that will reach every corner of the computer and effectively cool the components. The first one is Arctic P12 PWM PS fan. During the development of the new P12 PWM PST, special emphasis was placed on a focused airstream and thus a high static pressure on this fan. Thanks to 4-pin connector, the RPM can be regulated in a broad spectrum via PWM, and moreover, noise is kept at minimum while maximum cooling performance is given when needed. The monitor is powered by neodyme iron boron magnet ring of the newest generation, which allows the new P12 PWM PST to run much more efficiently than its predecessors. Also, a 10 degrees Celsius lower motor temperature roughly doubles the lifespan of a fan. The new Arctic motor has a 4 times longer service life through its local temperature. The second one is Be Quiet Pure Wings 2. This fan has 9 airflow optimized blades that reduces noise generating turbulence and also gives much more air to your PC. Moreover, long life rifle bearing gives an operating lifetime of 80,000 hours. This fan has speed of 2000 RPM for extremely high air pressure. Even at maximum speed, it operates at only 36.9 decibel. The third one is Noctua NF812 PWM. This is a next generation A-series design, combines high airflow and high static pressure performance. Ideal both as a case fan and for CPU coolers. It also has water cooling radiators and AIO liquid cooling system. The AAO frame along with flow acceleration channels and record tight 0.5 mm tip clearance with Sterox LCP material, metal reinforced hub, metal bearing shell provides excellent performance to your PC. The 4-pin PWM version for automatic speed control via 4-pin PWM fan headers, 2000 RPM maximum speed includes anti-vibration mounts, radiator gasket, fan screws, extension cable and Y cable for running 2 PWM fans on the same header. The fourth one is Thermaltake Pure 12A RGB. It has 12 separately controlled RGB LEDs for unrivaled lighting control. Paint your build with 16.8 million colors, patented Ring Plus RGB software enabled. Generate higher airflow without compromising on ultra silent operation. You can add up to 5 devices to one lighting controller and up to 16 controllers to the software. The controller and the coding guide are included in all packs. In mold injection, anti-vibration rubber pads provide a hassle-free usage with 80% protection coverage for all corners. Lowers your operation noise while improving thermal efficiency. Link cable up to 16 controllers. The last but not the least, Corsair ML120 Pro Premium Fan. It dramatically reduces bearing friction by magnetically levitating the fan blade. It produces lower noise and higher performance. 4 independent ultra bright center mounted RGB LEDs output a vivid blast of light and color. The included Corsair Lighting Node Pro enables stunning dynamic lighting effects or synchronize with other Corsair Link supported devices. It dynamically controls the fan speed from 400 RPM to 1600 RPM to minimize noise or maximize airflow.